Now students, let us see a gold leaf electroscope. So what is the use of gold leaf electroscope is mainly to detect what kind of charge is present. Earlier we used to take the electroscope, normal electroscope. That normal electroscope gives us an idea that the charge particle is present or not and how much, whether it is less or more. Okay, it just give an idea but not giving the nature of the charged particle also. Okay, so here gold leaf used to detect and measure and gives us an idea of the nature also. So here is the diagram of the gold leaf electroscope. See how does it work. There is a metal disc and an insulator plug that help us to not to get the charged particles from ear to ear, not to touch any other part of the bottle. Okay, bell jar and a metal rod and metal strips and some tin foil. So how does it happen? See here, I am briefly describing to you. Testing the nature of the charge. In first part, as you can see, we are actually charging the electroscope previously. Priorly we are doing that, we are itself charging with the known charge particle. Let's suppose we want to judge any kind of charging rod, but we do not know what kind of charge is it on the rod. Fine, but we are having certain rod that is having a negative charge particle. Fine, so we are firstly charging the rod by the charging the electroscope by this negative charge particle. Okay, so here if we are bringing that unknown rod, okay, and again touching the metal disc, the diversion will get more. Fine. Earlier, because we know that it was charged by the negative one, the previously one we know that we are charging the gold leaf by the negative charge particle. And again, because the unknown is also having the negative charge particle, so here it is getting more diverged. But if we actually brought the positive charge particle, if the rod, that unknown rod was having positive charge particle, then the particle, that the diversion of the foil will be less. They will attract each other then. Why? Because divergence decrease because of the positive charge particle we are providing right now. Earlier it was having negative one. So here by this we can detect, by priorly charging our electroscope with the known charge particle, we can now detect what is the nature of the unknown rod or unknown charge party.